Hey, what's going on, y'all? It's the Multiple Strength King, Lil Derek Williams, CEO and founder of the Paid in Full Family. Hey, what's going on? What's going on, y'all? Listen, I'm just sitting back, man, on this lovely Saturday, man, just relaxing. I just got back from the barbershop, man, got my rolls going on, my nice fade, you know what I'm saying? Feeling myself today. Man, what's going on, y'all, man? Let me talk to y'all real quick, okay? Real quick, all right? Let's get serious one time. I get a lot of questions, man, and it's mostly from individuals who have already gotten started in MCA, okay? Just lack of help, you know, and they're reaching out to me for training. You know, I send them, you know, what they need to do to get started with my team. But for anyone just out there that's just researching MCA, and you say, what all do I need to get started? Let me give you the Paid in Full starter pack, okay? First thing first, when you come aboard, okay, you need the right mindset, okay? You definitely need the right mindset, man. You got to understand this is a business, so you're going to have to differentiate 9 to 5, okay, and the business realm, okay? It's two complete opposites. Like, business is nothing like your 9 to 5. You're running your own business. You got to understand what that really means, man. You got to really embrace that. To say, you know what, I'm becoming a business owner, and I'm prepared. Okay, I'm prepared to build this from the ground up. I'm prepared to make this thing work, no matter how long it takes. See, that's the mindset. No matter how long it takes, not coming in this thing and say, I'm finna blow this thing up overnight. See, they can lie to you all they want, man, on some of these videos that, you know, join me and you'll be making this tomorrow. You got to put some work in, man. Now, I'm not saying it can't be done. Like, I tell people all the time, I have people that join me and they make money immediately. Some the same day, some the same week. Some it take a little more work. But I have helped my team understand that this is a business and there's different strokes for different folks. And your journey might not be like everyone else's. So just understand that. First thing first, okay? Secondly, you need a website, okay? People get in and say, what I need to do next? I got people already lined up. Some of you all, you've done your homework and you already start working, all right? You done already start working. You already start telling people. You ain't even signed up yet. You done already start telling people. You got people that's going to rock with you. That's great, okay? But you're going to need a website, okay? Because some of them may say, you know, I still need a little bit more information. You told me I want to mess with you, but I need a little more information. If you get in this business and you send them that corporate-based website that MCA gives you, and it's free, they're going to be so lost, okay? You're going to lose them. They're going to be so lost that you lose them. You need a personally branded website. That's why I come into play. I have the one-page websites for $12, okay? I have the $25 website, which is 4 pages, okay, for $25. And then I have the MCA Authority website. All those website links, okay, I'm going to have videos. I have videos that I've already recorded. They're going to be underneath the description, so you can go check those out, okay? So we got mindset, we got website, okay? Third and final, it kind of tie into the first one. You got to have some faith. Okay, you got to believe in yourself. Okay, I don't want you to get in this thing when you get started with me, okay, that you say, all right, Lil Derek, I seen your video, I've signed up, I'm going to try this thing out. No, don't try. Do. I want you to come in with the winner's mindset. Winners win, losers lose. Don't come in saying, hey, I want to sign up with you, but, and this is my pet peeve, I hear it so much. I want to sign up with you, but what if I can't make sales? What if you can? See, a lot of you all need to change your mouthpiece, man. You got to change your verbiage. You got to change what you speak, what you say, man, because that thing becomes life. All right? Life and death is in the power of the tongue. All right? So we need to be mindful of what we say. Seriously, man. You think it's a game, but a lot of stuff that you speak, if you look over your life, a lot of stuff that you done speak, if you done spoke failure of your life and you end up feeling like I knew I couldn't do it and you didn't do it, it's because you spoke it. So I choose not to say what I can't do. Like when I'm asked to do tasks, no matter what it is, I just say, okay, I got it. I get it done. Knowing sometimes I don't know left from right for some of the stuff that, you know, I've been asked to do. But I figure it out. Find a way. It's been done, okay? The thing about it, and what I love about MCA is the possibilities. Okay, I love when I see people hit crazy numbers. Like we had one of our business partners 2 weeks ago. He had an ad, Facebook ad went viral. He made 245 sales in 1 week. That was $22,000. Okay, for 1 week. I'm in love with the possibilities, man. Like, this will get you so excited about MCA, man, is that there's no cap on how much money we can make. Okay, there's no cap on how much money we can make. All right? I only had those 3 tips, but just thinking about that, let me give you another rule. When you come in this thing, man, educate yourself. Okay, you don't have to, I don't want you to say, okay, yeah, I need to learn everything I need to learn before I join this company. No, you can learn and earn at the same time. That's the biggest mistake that you can make, is thinking you need to know everything before you get started. You leave money on the table and somebody else is getting your sales. Okay? Jump in. It's only $39.90 for the membership. Don't let $40 stop you, man. Go ahead and spend the $40. Okay? But what I want you to do is when you get inside this company, man, educate yourself. Listen, I need you to embody what it is to be an MCA associate. I need you to embody what it is to be an internet marketer, a digital marketer, however you're going to promote this thing. If you're going to do it offline, I need you to embody what it means to, you know, get out here and be a street soldier and pat them feet, okay? Going car to car, door to door. I've been there and done that. If that's what you want to do. I have people on my team that love the offline hustle, okay, and killing it, okay? But this internet, I mean, it is just the most, it's the best thing since sliced bread. Like, literally, you know, you hear that all the time, but this is literally the best thing since sliced bread, man. We able to reach out to the masses, billions, okay? All through social media, all through video, Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, LinkedIn, YouTube. I don't get it, man. For some of the people that are so skeptical, I really don't get it. And I really don't get the people who say, what if I can't? You must be, when people say that, I'm thinking that they're only thinking about their family and friends that they're trying to market to. That's not what you want to do. See, I teach my team how to become the hunted and not the hunter. Hunters, hunters ain't doing nothing but reaching out to family and friends. Okay, when you become the hunted, family and friends come looking for you. What are you doing, such and such? I need to be involved with you, cousin. I need to get involved with you, kinfolk. I need to get involved with you, auntie. I need to get involved with you, uncle. I need to get involved with you, brother. I need to get involved with you, sister. That's what's gonna happen. Okay, trust me, I'm a living testimony. From the top tier in the family on down to the younger generation, man, reaching out, wanting to know what it is I'm doing, what it is my wife doing, and how can they get involved. It didn't happen like that at first, you know, but I didn't reach out to them either. I said, you know what, I'm gonna build this thing, man. They're gonna come for me. I wanna reach out to me. Being a student of this industry, I already understood that you gotta reach out to the masses. Okay, I understand that strangers will celebrate you for your friends will. Okay, strangers, they gonna celebrate you first. My business is full of strangers. Okay, now we have built a relationship, and now we family. All right, so I'm about to get ready to enjoy the rest of my weekend, man, but I had to shoot this video, man. I'm just feeling good today, man. Still got sales coming in. You know, we got paid yesterday. And MCA is just where it's at, man. It's just where it's at, man. I'm full-time from home, y'all. Married with me and my sons went to the barber shop, and I'm just in just happy because I remember Saturdays was the day I had to work. You know, I didn't want to work on Sundays when I had first started that job that I was at. And they ended up getting it switched for me because I go to church on Sunday. So they ended up getting it switched for me, and I had to work on Saturdays. It was tough. Missed out on a lot. Games, family events, just family, period. Saturdays, man, the day where the family is able to just to sit down and be together, man, or just do whatever. I missed it, you know what I'm saying? Just to be at work. And it was the weirdest schedule. It was like 10 to 7. You know what I'm saying? So all the activities when it comes to sports and things of that nature, it's already done. Little League. You know what I'm saying? I missed a lot of my relatives, my nieces and nephews, cousins. I missed their games, you know what I'm saying, because of that 10 to 7 shift. By the time I get off, it's nighttime, you know what I'm saying? It's time for me and my wife to be able to do certain things, but for like the kids outdoors, man, it got late. You know what I'm saying? So I just had a big why. I couldn't wait until I was able to enjoy these weekends, man. It's been 2 years strong, going on 3 years now. it's a blessing, y'all. So get in this thing, get excited about the possibilities, okay? Have the right mindset, get you a website, okay? And have some faith. Have some faith, man, that this thing gonna work. Believe. All right, man, this is Ladell Grimm, Multiple Strength King, CEO and founder of the Paid in Full family, and on my team, everybody eats, man. I hope y'all having a phenomenal weekend. I know I am. I'm about to get back to it. Y'all got any questions or concerns, my email below. I told you those website links are going to be below for the videos if you want to see how those websites look. If you want to do it, let me know. Send me an email. We'll take care of it for you, man. I'll see y'all on the next video.